Hey everyone, welcome back to Proxlite. Today we are going to build a modern PDF protector tool using Python with a clean and beautiful UI, using CustomTkinter and also our tool Buildfy. Now this project will allow the user to select any PDF and lock it with a personal password in just one click. It is super beginner friendly and powerful. Stick around till the end, you will be surprised how simple it is to add security to your PDF using just a few lines of code. So with that being said, let's get started. So here is the app. All you can do is select a PDF. Now enter your password and simply lock it. Now the protected PDF will ask you a password to open it up. Let's enter our password. And now we can see the PDF. So this is how we can simply lock our PDF using this tool. So with that being said, let's start with the requirement part. Now open up your terminal and just type in pip install CustomTkinter and PyPDF2. Now this installs the main two packages, which are CustomTkinter for the UI and PyPDF2 to encrypt the PDFs. Now to create the main GUI of the application or the interface of the application, we will be using Buildfy. Head over to Buildfy's official website and download the edition. It may be free or paid. Both of the editions supports this project. By the way, Gemini has updated its AI integration, so we are going to change the whole AI integration in the Buildfy, so it will take us some time. You can still use the Pro and base variant. We will update it very soon. So once you install Buildfy, open it up and simply start creating your own UI. As I have shown you many tutorials on how to create GUI using Buildfy, this is a simple part, so I'm going to be speeding it up. Alright, so once it is done, let's apply the backend logic for it. As we have already created the main GUI using Buildfy, but I will be also showing you how can you do it manually. Here we are going to import all the tools required, like the CustomTkinter for our modern GUI, file dialog to select the files, PyPDF2 to read the encrypted PDFs, and OS to work with the file path. Now we are going to create the main application window with a dark and blue color theme. Also, we will add a title like Secure PDF with a geometry of 500 into 400 and make sure that it is non-resizable. Now we will be adding header. Now we are using the CTK label method in order to get a title or the basic heading with a font size of 32 with a bold type of font. You can change any text color and also set up the padding to 30 and 10. Also, we are going to add a subtitle like modern, minimal and secure. Now this gives our app a nice header which is modern and minimal, just how we want our app to feel. Now we are going to apply the file selection logic. So this function basically opens a file dialog. If a user selects a file, we can store its path and update it to the label. Now here comes the main protection part, how the PDF protector logic works. We will be defining a function known as protect PDF. So if a PDF is not selected, it will ask that please select a PDF file. We will be using get method to get the password from the entry field, and if they haven't entered any password, we will be showing an error and showing them please enter a password. We will be using reader as the variable where we will be storing PDF reader and the selected PDF, and the writer to write in a new PDF. We will be using writer.encrypt method with the password. Now this encrypt method has came from the PyPDF2, which will allows us to simply set a password for our PDF. Now in a nutshell, this is the core logic. It reads the original PDF, encrypts it with your password and saves it in a new file. And yes, it even handles error. Now we will be adding some buttons like the protect PDF, select PDF and also entry field like enter password. This all has been created by Buildfy itself, so no need to simply manually write it. And that's our full GUI setup. Everything is functional, clean and working just the way we want it. And that's how you can build your own PDF protector tool using Python and CustomTkinter. Now you know how to build a beautiful UI, use file dialogs, and encrypt file using PyPDF too. I hope this video was really helpful, and if it was, then consider subscribing, hit that like button below. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep coding. Goodbye.